Samsung's about to turn your photos into videos with AI magic. This is GadInsider, and we've got the latest on this game-changing feature. Let's dive in. Imagine any photo in your gallery becoming a living, moving video in seconds. Samsung's making it happen with Galaxy AI. Want the details? Keep watching. Samsung's cooking up an AI-powered feature that transforms any photo into a short video. Think a few seconds of awesome animation. It's part of their Galaxy AI suite and might drop with the One UI 8.0 update. This isn't about creating wild, abstract videos. It's more like animating your photos in cool, dynamic styles. Think of it as an advanced way to bring your stills to life. Galaxy AI is already a beast, with tools that generate images from text or tweak photos with a tap. This new image-to-video feature adds to its multimodal magic, letting you do more with your content. Samsung's no stranger to AI innovation. Remember their 2024 collab with Google for Circle to Search on the Galaxy S24? This video tool takes that creativity up a notch, making your gallery a playground for AI-powered fun. But wait, there's more! Samsung's reportedly also working on an AI video summarization tool that can create text summaries of YouTube or Vimeo videos. Imagine getting the gist of a long video in seconds. Perfect for busy folks. With these features, Samsung's pushing Galaxy AI to make your phone smarter and your life easier. You can't wait to see them in action. Samsung's AI-powered image-to-video tool and video summarization are set to redefine how we create and consume content. Are you hyped for these Galaxy AI upgrades? Let us know in the comments. Want more tech news like this? Smash that subscribe button and join the GadInsider crew. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.